There's some more caves. Young Phil would be walking out here to want to look at the caves and to climb on these rocks. Old Phil would be wondering if there's a bike trail to get there so he could climb on these rocks, look in these caves. Not so much walk across blazing a trail as you go. But drone pilot D.D. Fellows, he enjoys the view and exploring in his goggles. And these rocks are beautiful and wondrous, and my curiosity is on high to get a look at what is going on over here. Now you got roads, you got the little bit of a tower thing built by men, you got paths and fences. But in the history of time, these rocks have stood for eons, looking the same for I don't know how many thousands of years. This has looked like this. And all the man-made stuff, all the people walking around out here, they're so very recent in the scale of time as to be almost brand new, even though people have been here. The ancestral Puebloans and the ancient people have been here for thousands of years. But in the grand map of time, just a tiny blip at the very end of where we're at now. Gonna try to rouse a jackrabbit or something. Only thing moving out there is me right now. Now you look at this. Don't you think it'd be fun to climb up there when you're as a kid with a good back and strong legs?